You need to remember when to pick your daughter up from school, taking a cat nap, how long your tea's going on. Hi, I'm Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert, and I'm going to show you how to set the alarm feature on your iPhone. We're going to start from the beginning. We're going to push our home button here to bring the screen up, slide to unlock it, and then we're just going to go to our clock function. Clock, great function over here. One of my favorite toys on this because we've got choices. We've got the world clock, we've got the alarm, stopwatch, and timer feature. Now to set an alarm, you can see here I've got some pre-ones. Sometimes I like to get up at 7:27, 8, 8:15, 12:44 p.m. I'm all over the clock. But let's say we want to set a brand new one. Up to a plus at the top over here. Now my choices, I want to repeat it never because I just want to do it for this. The sound is going to be the alarm. The snooze I do want to have on. And the label is going to be the alarm. We can actually call this one, change the label to test by hitting the X there, making it go away with the sliding for T, E, S, T. And you can see how if I didn't hit it right on the mark, then it just sort of slid over. And then I'm going to hit the back button because we're going to call this the test alarm. And I want that to go off at 1:05 p.m. And one of the great things about this, we're going to hit save, and whoop, now we've got over there, 1:05 p.m. Now we can also edit. It goes to this one. This is the one we want to edit here. No, we don't want to delete it. We want to edit it. And we can choose, and as we move things, it is a big dial. It is really, whee! I love this interface. AM, PM, I want it to be this time, because if you ever hold down and then the other button, hold it, push, 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 nope, hold it, hour, push, 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 I hate those. But this is a fun way to do it. Hit save, you're ready to go, back to your home button, and you're there. Tap a couple of buttons, flip a few dials, and you're ready to go. I'm Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert, saying, stream you later.